welcome back to my channel. I am just really quick with the face. I am revisiting some old limited edition stuff. I'm making a video on it. This look came fully from the Urban Decay Jean-Michel Bossiot collection. If you don't know who he is, look him up. Okay, amazing artist. I did want to give one other tip. I got this Wet n Wild highlighter, this black highlighter. It was limited edition. It's called Not Your Basic Witch. I got sucked in, $2.99. I actually don't buy as much makeup as I normally have in the past, but I got sucked in this. And so I've been trying to find ways to use it because, like, it's legit a black highlighter, okay? I found this is really awesome just for, like, inner corner, like, say you have this look and it looks great, but then you want to go day to night. This is an awesome way to go day to night, just to deepen up the inner, the outer V and just go underneath with a little bit of sparkle. But I also found, because I use false lashes and I do not use mascara, sometimes I feel like I can see, like maybe there's eyeshadow on my lashes. So I just found just using a tiny bit of this and pull this up and just tap this in to sort of cover up glue or my natural lashes. Oh yes. So I'm going to keep this out. I'm going to keep this out on my vanity for that purpose. I just don't use mascara because I use false lashes and like it ends up going bad. You know, mascara is one of those things that goes bad so quickly. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, looking good. Right, now that my life's together with that. Today we have the Outre Quick Pony. It says style up in 30 seconds or less. She's in the box completely. I haven't even taken her out. This style is Kay, and she's in 2T 1/30, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. So I got her from Sam's Beauty for $7.99. If you use Sam's Beauty, you get like these points, which is cool. And it's like whatever point you have, that's the dollar amount you have. So if you have 400 points, you have $4. I found, like, if you're interested in getting these ponies, they go on sale quite a bit, and then, like, that's kind of this type of stuff I use my points for. So she's coming, you know, with this. So she's really, really long and straight. I actually am surprised at the color because it's 1/30. So it's 1, which is a dark jet black, basically, mixed with 30, which is going to be sort of that auburn color. I am filming a huge Wig 101 video. I've been researching and collecting for quite a while, and there's going to be a big video on how to decipher the colors and numbers through the colors through the number system that is used. But one is, and you can see it here at the top of the pony. You can see, like, right there, that is that one, that deep jet black. But usually when it says like 1/30 or 1B/30, it's usually more of the first color than it is the second. But with this, it's definitely more the second color than it is. She's long, 20 plus inches for sure, 22, 24. She feels good. Let me comb her. She feels nice and straight. She's maybe a light yaki. So with this weather right now, you're gonna get a crap ton of static, so I'm gonna need to put some hairspray on her. I'm actually gonna do that now since she's so long. I'm just gonna put some hairspray all over and then just sort of pull the fibers down so they're just not too crazy. I feel like it seems like she could tangle. I don't think she's gonna tangle too badly. And the reason is because it's like in a ponytail situation. She does have a nice V at the end. See, so it does look more like real hair. She's got the drawstring and then the comb at the base and a comb at the top. So I like to just open it up super big. Because right now, I don't have a ton of hair right now, but I have more than I will in 2 days. She's got a nice, like, breathable mesh in here, like stretchy. I'm not sure why at the wefts, right where it's connected, it's like a little bit, like, see, it's like crimped. I don't know that that was meant to be that way. So let's put her on and see what we got going on. I'm just gonna put her over top my ponytail and then stick the comb into the bun that I made. And then I'm going to go up under, make sure this is underneath the bun, and stick that comb in. And then what I like to do is bring this to the side and then get the drawstring and put that in tight. There you go. Oh, she feels good. She feels nice. And where I have her, she's a little bit heavy. I don't know how long I could wear her throughout the day. If she was a little higher up on my crown, I think it would be easier. That's just something to think about. But again, I have a ton of hair. Not a ton. I actually don't have a ton. I have alopecia, but I have a ton more hair than some people, so it might be more comfortable. What I'm going to do is wrap this drawstring right around here. The coloring is amazing. The coloring, I feel like it really is going with my sort of dark brown hair. I'd say in the wig world, my hair is closer to like a 4, maybe. I've never seen 3. Have you ever seen 3 in a wig color? I've never really seen a 3. Oh my. She's cute, but she, in this sort of dry heat, oh, look at that. That coloring is gorgeous. I'm loving the coloring. I really love the length as well. My only concern is in the climate that I'm at now, where it's very, very cold out and the heat is dry, she is going to get staticky. So like I said, you can put, you can use a little bit of dry shampoo for that too. I like her luster though. She's slightly shiny, but she's straight. She doesn't look too like, I mean, obviously most people don't have a ponytail this long, even if some of it's their real hair. You know, people know this isn't your real hair. So I'm not really concerned about that. But what I would do is rub my hands together to get them warm and then just work on this like static. Yeah, that's better. But yeah, I feel like for sure she is going to be really easy to get the tangles out. Let me get you a fuller view. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's look from behind. Yeah, she's pretty. She's real pretty. You can see the static a little bit. Again, I just really think it's the air in here. And I could add a little bit more. Plus, I'm running my fingers. I like running my fingers through it too, so that doesn't help. I will say, see, it's like, hey. Hey girl, hey. I will say, so where she is at the crown of my head, pulling her, yeah, she's definitely like 24 inches-esque, 5'6.5", just about 5'7", and she's coming up under my huge boobs. Yeah. I do like her. I definitely like her. I would recommend her, especially for $7.99. And these are nice, like quickity split, lickety split. You know, say you're running late or you just want something nice and slick and, you know, classy. This is a nice little situation here. Do a little slick back. I'm actually going to fill in some of my hairline because it's running away. But what do you guys think? Do you like these quick ponies? Do you have any? Do you like how they look? I do, even standing here. So even in the short time that I've been standing here, I'm telling you right now, she needs to be up a little bit higher on your head or it's going to start feeling heavy. I'll tell you that right now. She's already feeling heavy on my head. I have a lot of these, or not a lot, I have a few other of these quick ponies. I will link that in the eye up there somewhere. And I don't necessarily feel that they're this heavy feeling. But again, I think it's because I have her here, and if I had her up just a little bit more, yeah, even be pushing on her. So you definitely have to have her up a little bit higher. So I'll wear her for as long as I can. And if I remember, I'll try to do, I'm going to do an update on everything. Everything that I reviewed, I'm going to be doing an update on them in like, you know, maybe 3 or 4 at a time. If I've cut them, if I haven't cut them and I want to cut them during the update, I will cut them on camera for you. So if there is something specific you want to see an update on, she would be super cute braided. Let me try to braid her. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna do the intro and then I'm gonna come back and braid her. So hold on. I wanted the intro to show like how it really looks, but I'm gonna try and braid her for today. Just a little cute little styling braid at the end. And do you see these nice layers here? This is one of the things, when something's layered nice like this, I love it, because then, you know, synthetic wigs and ponies, they tend to get ratty at the bottom. So when you have these nice layers, it's cool because you can say, okay, here's a layer, then you just follow that layer to start trimming up. It just makes it trimming at home like way easier. So the only challenge with this, not a challenge, but something to keep in mind is, as the layers are really great for you to keep the maintenance of it, it can make braiding a little difficult. So I'm going to just do a braid right here. Oh, this is so cute. Sort of right at the, one of the shorter layers. Oh yeah, there you go. She does want to be staticky today, though. That's really adorable. All right, so that's my review. I think she's good. I think that, like, if you're someone who's like maybe prone to the weight of a wig or headaches or what have you, this particular one isn't for you. But I did review 2 other Outre Quick Ponies that didn't give me that headache issue. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I am wanting to do a giveaway. I'm thinking around 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!